Oh my god. Oh my god.
Initiating.
Welcome back to my daily grind. That's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. Oh boy, it is Monday. What the hell happened? Something just broke. That's not good. Oh my god, no. What the hell? Why? Whoa, dude, what the Huh? What the heck? Damn. Oh my god, what a freaking mess. Clean it up a bit as good as I can. Let's see if I can still print stuff. So far the only thing that got damaged was a part of the isolation. I'm not sure yet how it will affect the print. I was kinda able to wipe off the rest of the PLA. I guess we're back to business. By the way, 2 more Etsy sales. Let's get to the fun part. Yesterday I glued everything together. Kinda unnecessary because it's a really tight fit. I didn't glue together the frame. This way I can remove the belt again, stuff like that. I will mount this thing on the motor, clamp the frame onto a table, and that will be the mount for the meat, like somewhere there. And the thing is, I can't do it in the workshop because I need to have a good internet connection. So, where the hell should I mount everything? There we go. Took me quite a long time to figure that out. Check it out. So freaking legit. There we go. The framing was a bit complicated. You know, tiny room problems. That's how it looks. Let me explain my setup. You already know this thing, a frequency converter. I can just turn it on and off. That's the motor, belt, A-frame, and gears. Don't know what else to say. Let's bring in the main protagonist. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god. This is so freaking crazy. What? Oh my god. I'm way too scared to turn this on. Oh, this is not looking good. But anyways, let's just go for it. This is so stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, what the hell? If you're interested what my profile looks like, it's just this photo and not much else. I hate, I love music, creativity, sports, but everyone wrote stuff like that, so check out my YouTube basically. And it's not working. Oh, what is going on? God damn. No, what? Oh, what? She super liked me. Cool. Yes! Okay, yeah, thanks. Okay, cool. Shut up. This is so freaking stupid. I hate Tinder. So stupid. I have to remove the cover. Oh god, rest in peace. What? Oh my god. Okay, what's the problem? Oh my god. Just... Okay. Why do I match so many people? I didn't use Tinder for months. What? Yeah, right. God damn it, it is too fast. Almost 4 o'clock AM. What should I do? It is too fast. Okay, maybe I can try to reprogram the frequency converter. Maybe. It's already pretty slow, but let's try. Let's set it to 1. Oh god, it's working. Oh my god. Wow. What? Another match? You can't be serious. Hello? I think I'm ready though, so let's record 1 hour of Tinder meet grind. No! In 12 hours I will get more. Are you serious? It worked out so freaking good though. From mind to matter. I will see you tomorrow.